Okay. Well, I think last time I was talking about kind of separating this out already, or thinking to anyway, so that we can just get it done straight away. So I think the way we're going to do that is we're going to move all this stuff out to its own kind of platform layer. We have like a platform, a Win32 platform layer probably. That's probably the best way of doing it. So Win32 platform.h. So we have a header to define all our Win32 platform stuff. So now program once, let's include it. We are going to include our Windows header, and we are going to set up our data for our platform. So this is going to be platform window. I think that would be fine calling it that. And we kind of see what we kind of need. So we probably need our class name. We're definitely gonna need our handle, right? We're gonna need what else are we gonna need? We're gonna need our class name, right? Long pointer to a CW string. Let's call this class name like so. I think that's all we need at the moment. Do you want to keep the instance where it's from? Probably not. Okay, so then we can then have we can now set up some functions that actually kind of create this window, I suppose. So do I want it to actually return a pointer to this thing, or do I want to pass it in and fill it in like that? I think we'll do it like this. We'll prefix these all with Win32 create window. I guess we can pass in a window class, right? So in here we can have some win class W, and this is the win class we're going to create it from. And then as previously, I don't like the color. Stop it. guess we probably want to create on the heap somewhere, so we're going to need what? So platform, window, pointer. I guess platform, window, and then can I just do it like that? Can I just say, let's just give me all. In my head that works. Anyway, we'll find out. So we can ask for that much space on the heap, and then we then want to yeah, I guess you don't have to pass in the window glass. I don't like that. I want to maybe fill it in myself. So maybe this doesn't. Maybe we just do like win class W. And we can just initialize it like this. And then we can maybe say what we want to pass in. Can I just like brackets? Well, then we just pass in the class name, right? I think, and then we would then have WC. Oh wait, I have to pass in the H instance maybe. Let's have a look at that. I don't know how that looks. Okay, kind of works. Let's get rid of that. Right, so in here we can say the H instance. How is it that I'm just doing this all in the bloody actual just platform header? I just want to be defining all this stuff. So overall with that, let's just do all this. So I can have this. And then in here we can I guess in here then we include. Can I just yank this and then hey. Okay. So I think this is the way we want to do it. where we want to pass in a class name and an instance of the process that's running. It would probably help if there was a separation of the variables here. Right. Let's just. So we're going to set up our create window. So we want to be doing what we did. Let's actually just get rid of this, and now I can see this. Okay. So let's just take all of this stuff. Right. And paste it in here. Okay. One thing we're forgetting here is we have to have a platform window pointer. And we are going to define this on the heap, right? So let's cast this to platform window pointer, because we're going to ask for some heap memory. So we're going to say malloc size of the platform window, right? Oh. So we get our memory on the heap of our platform window, and now we're going to fill out this struct, right? So platform window handle is going to be, and then the class name is, I think we just passed that in, didn't we? Let's see, that's not how it is in the thing, is it? No, it's lowercase. That doesn't exist. So this, not worried about that at the moment. I think that won't work. So let's just return null pointer for now. Okay, so that's going to create a window. We need to then return the pointer to the platform window, and then we can reference that later, I suppose. Okay, so we have a we are actually going to need in here this kind of I really don't like this formatting. I have to work out formatter between students. Okay, and then so then here, oh shit. Get this again, but actually just I think you'd over it, so that's going to be my window prop, but let's actually just give it a different name. I don't like that. We'll go with the convention of having Win32 window proc. Right, so we've redone this. So if I actually just delete this and I say include, right, win32 platform.h. Does that make sense? Let's see if we delete all this now. Only pass in again to class name H instance. So I should be able to delete all this, right? And then I should have we want a platform window points, right? That is what we're interested in getting. Big T. So we Win32 create window, and this is going to take in our class name and H instance, right? Okay. So then we have a handle, right? So then we should be able to just get platform, window, handle. When did you create window and they're not found? When did you create window? Oh. That's probably because we probably need to link with so let's say when no, want to link with our headers, right? Let's have a look what AI. Oh. Yeah, so we want to link both. We can just link all CPP files. I just like say this. Okay, I tried to combine it, didn't like it. So under find variable in the well, it compiled. Okay. It returns some window. That's good, I suppose. Okay. So yeah, so we've kind of taken it out. So we've kind of separated our platform. We're beginning to set our platform where we can create the window and the window procedure in its own header file, and defined the data that we need to talk about, and we've started filling out those functions. Yeah, I think it's a good place to kind of finish. Next time we'll actually think about other functions that need to go in there, and maybe starting to look at an engine. and thinking about APIs and filling that with function pointers, so that we can kind of define different functions where you want to. Cool. Well, thanks very much.